All right, you guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you don't know, now you know. It is JD on 3, and I have a super cool and cheap unboxing for you guys today. So you guys stick around and stay tuned. All right, so there are tons of products like these out there. Like I said, this was actually fairly inexpensive. I think it cost me around $30 or $40 for these. Some of the other options out there were more like $60 to $100, maybe $150. And I just thought that was ridiculous. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. Just kind of looking at the box. It's a little shoddy, but you know, it is what it is. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what's inside. So found these on Amazon. I will leave that product description somewhere so you can find it. If you like these, you can order them. But they are some low profile mirrors. Really nice though. I really am feeling it. So they're made out of some type of aluminum, some type of alloy. So it's real nice, very lightweight. And the install should be fairly simple for these. So I'm gonna do the install in another video. Right now I'm just gonna do the unboxing, and I'll probably maybe do a review on the bike, and then I'll do an install video for these. So nothing too much what comes in the box. You get these that fit inside, so they'll fit inside of here. I think I'm gonna have to, I don't know, we'll have to see. I may have to lose my end weight. So if you have end weights, you may lose those, which is kind of unfortunate because you spend money on them, so you don't necessarily want to lose them. You get the clips, so basically this will sit inside of the handlebar. You'll have this clip on the outside, and then and this will help attach the mirror to the handlebars. So it should be a fairly simple install, but we'll just have to wait and see what happens. But for now, you guys, that's gonna be it, and just wait for the review on these. These are gonna look really nice on the bike. So here is the review on these. Tell me what you guys think. Yes, no, maybe so. You know, your boy is liking them. I'm really liking them. You can angle them many different ways, many different sizes, but I seen it like this and I was like, yo, I like the way that looks. You know what I'm saying? Especially from afar, I think that looks really cool, especially for this bike. So tell me what you guys think. You know, is it a yes? Is it a no? Ryker fan, come on, help your boy out. You know, did I make a mistake or not? And again, these were like $30 or so they weren't bad. I've seen some for like $60, $80 to $100. So for $30, it's a nice look, simple install. So yeah, Ryker fam, y'all already know what to do. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. This is JD on 3, and if you don't know, now you know. Ryker fam, tap in. Let's go.